10 very short conversations. Set 1. Please come in. Thank you very much. Hello, my name is Matt. Hi, my name is Steve. Are you all right? Yes, thank you. Would you like one? No, thank you. Can I help you? Yes, please. Excuse me. Yes? Here you are. Thank you. Is this yours? No, it's not. What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Where is the restroom? It's over there. Okay, now it's your turn. I will go first. I will be the purple sentences, and you will go second. You will be the blue sentences. Please come in. Hello, my name is Matt. Are you all right? Would you like one? Can I help you? Excuse me. Here you are. Is this yours? What time is it? Where is the restroom? Let's switch. You will go first. You will be the purple sentences, and I will go second. I will be the blue sentences. Thank you very much. Hi, my name is Steve. Yes, thank you. Yes, please. No, thank you. Yes. Thank you. No, it's not. It's 3 o'clock. It's over there. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, mkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets we do in our live stream classes. So please check out my Patreon page and my website, mkulek.com. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.